everyone and welcome back. So in the last video we have designed the onboarding screen, and this onboarding screen we create the custom buttons and we import the custom fonts. So today I'm going to design the login screen and register screen. So let's start with the practical. So first we are going to see the UI of the login and register. So this is the UI of the login and create account screen. So first I'm going to design the login screen. In the login screen I will create the one custom text input. So let's start with the practical. So if I click on the login screen, I will navigate to the login like this. So this is the login screen. Let's go. First, I'm going to remove the text and import the view. So let me style the view also. Let me type the main view style flex one. Just copy this and come to the safe area view. And also I want to pass the color also, background color. We already defined the colors like this, you can see, and save it. Just copy and come here to the view. Save it. So now I'm going to take a one text, and this is my text. You can see login here, and just paste it, save it. So we should take another one view and just copy the view and wrap your text. I need a one text more also, and just come here and copy and paste it. First I'm going to style the view. Text, I just type the style dot text view and copy, come here. First I'm going to align item center, because we need to, all item will become in a center like this. After that I need a padding also, padding top or margin top, as you wish you want. And we have a moderate scale, moderate vertical, just type 20. So now I'm going to style the text. Just come here. So style dot login text. Just come here. So let me see the UI. So we have a text 30 and bold, and we have a color blue. So let's design it. First we have a font size, scale 30, and we have a font family, and font family dot bold, and colors dot blue. Save it. So now I'm going to style the welcome text also. So for the welcome text, just come here, just come here in the text style, and style dot welcome well text. So you can take any convention of the name, like I'm taking the well text. So we have a 20 semi bold and open. So we just take a, let's font. First we are going to take a font family dot semi bold and font size 20, and after that I will take a font color, like a colors, and colors dot black. Now you can see we need the text in the two lines. So for that I'm going to apply the, just apply width and define the width for your text like a so like this. I need a 1.5 and just apply and just also apply text align center. So now you can see, let's see the styling. So it's perfect. Or just type margin top and moderate vertical scale. Just type 20. So let's see the styling. So we have a 26 margin 26. We have like this. We can design the text. So now I'm going to design the text input. So for the text input, I will go to the custom component. So this is my custom component folder. Now I'm going to create a one text input. Create the custom text input .js and just define your snippet and save it. First, I'm going to remove these files. So let me open the login and then I'm open the custom text input. So I just close the unnecessary files. So now we are going to the login screen. So first we are going to import the text input. Let me type the custom text input and just import. So now we can see the one text with the name of the text input. Just come here and we just import the one text input. Just type text. Import the text input from the React Native and save it. So now we are going to apply the styling for the text input. So let me create the style. And here I'm just creating the one main style. And first I'm going to apply the width with 100%. And I need a border width also, border to see. And when I click there, so now you can see we have a text also. So we just create the one text input and just define the height. So it's too much, 64 is too much, 54. Yeah, 54 is enough. Border radius 10. And also let me assign the align item center and justify content center. And let me align item. So we need to align item from the flex start like this. And we just apply the padding also, padding horizontal, moderate scale 12. So now I want to apply the placeholder. Just define your placeholder like this. These are our props. We are passing these props from the main parent component, and then we have a on-chain text and just pass the on-chain text, and then we have a value and just pass the value also with the props. I want to pass the max length also. Secure text entry. Let's pass. So let's apply the styling to the text input. Style, we have a style. Font, we have a font size. Scale 16. Font family, like we need a semi bold. If I type, you can see we need a medium. Medium will be perfect. So now we need to add the background and border color. And also one thing more, when the text input become a focus, so the border color will be changed to the blue. If the text input is unfocused, so it do not show the border color like this, you can see. So let's start design these thing also. So for that I'm going to pass the style in the view. So let's come here and just spread operator, and let's type the my main content. So just type the main view style and also pass in the props, save it. So now I'm going to the main component. Now I'm going to style the main view and just type the padding horizontal. We need moderate scale 20. So like this, we need a 20 also. And also I will take a one view to wrap my text input. And just style dot input view style, copy and paste your style, and just define we need the margin top also. So now you can see the text input not taking the actual size. So that's the issue is that we wrap our view inside the another view. So let's come here and just remove the view. So just take it the outside of the text view and save it. So now you can see the actual size of the text input. So now we are going to the styling. So first we are going to apply the border color, and the border color will be, let me copy the border color. Click on this is the border color, copy. And now I'm going to the colors, and just apply the input background color and add the hash, save it, copy and add the background color. So let me remove the border width also, because we do not need any width, border width, save it. So let's go to the login screen, and first I'm going to apply the placeholder. So placeholder will be showing you the placeholder of the text input like this. So now you can see. So we can change the text of the placeholder. So let's come to there and just type the placeholder color. We need to apply color dot black and just save it. So now I'm going to create another text input also. So just copy and paste it, save. So let me change this also to the password, and just, so you can see we just take a two text input, but we need a margin also. So just click on the text input and just type margin, bottom, moderate vertical scale, just take a 20. You can see we just create a one text input and we use it two times. So now I'm going to apply that condition also. For that condition, I'm going to create a one state that is focused and just type the set is focused and just apply the use. Just import the use state. By default it will be the false, and just copy your is focused, and here just come to the your styling also. So we also have a styling. This is my styling. In the styling we have a, first we have a border width. Inside the border width just apply if the is focus is true, so my border width will be a, so 1. If is the focus is false, so my border width will be a 0. And also border color, if is focus is true, my border color will be a colors dot blue. If the is focus is false, my border color will be a transparent, like this, transparent. So let's save it. If I true it, now you can see. If it's false, so you can see it change automatically. So now we are going to a text input and apply these things. So first we have a on focus, and then we have a on blur, on blur. So when the text input become a focus, we want to true the state. So that's like a set focus is become a true. When it's so when my text input unfocus, so my the state become a set focus false. So now I'm going to show you how it is working. So when I click to the email, so it become a focus. When I click to the password, so the password become a focus like this. And also I want to apply the styling also, like come here to the text input. Now first we have a width 100% and just apply the flex also 1. And also I want to apply the height also. We need to apply the height like a moderate scale 54 and just apply and save it. So when I click any part of the text input, it become a focus like this. So this is the on focus, on blur functionality we have applied. So now we are going to the UI. Now we are going to copy the text also, this text, and just come to the login text. We need to apply the text also. Let me text and paste it, forget text, and also apply the styling of the forget text. And this is the, let me apply the style for the forget text, and we need to style dot for forget text, and just copy the forget text and come here, save it, and just font size. First we have a font size scale 16. Let me see the font size of the forget text also. So it's 14. And also font family is a font dot semi bold, and also color and dot blue, and also text align. We just apply text align right forget text also. So also the forget text will be a touchable, like when you click to the forget text on press, apply the on press on the forget text. I'm just applying the alert also on the forget text, alert type working like this, and just save it. So now we are going to create the REST UI. So we have a button and then create text also. So for the button, just import the custom text button, this is our custom button, and save it. So this is the button, but this is not the full size of the button. So just click on the button, and we have a width. Just apply the 100% here and save it, and just come to the login screen again and apply the label also. Label, we have to apply the label, and label we have a sign in. Just copy and paste it. And also we need a margin bottom also for the text. Let's define margin bottom, moderate vertical 40. So we have changed the custom button styling also. Let's see the onboarding style because we use this button also. So let me reload the app, and we have a login button, and this is the, so let me copy the main view button style and just going to the onboarding screen, onboarding, and we have a styling. Let me width, just apply the 40% in here, and also just copy, so you can see. So let me apply the, 40% in the, this also we have already. So now you can see we have a similar again. So let me apply the 44. So also 44. Yeah. So it's looking similar. We just correct the custom button also. Let me close the custom button, and just we are going to the login screen. So this is my login. So now we need to take another text also, text, and we have a create account, create a new account, and just save it, paste it, and apply the styling again. So we need to apply the styling like a style dot create text, copy the create text and come here, and I'm just copy these things and paste it. And we need a margin top like and center. I need a center also. Let me save it, and center, and color black. So we have a different color of the text. So let me copy this text color. So this is the text color. Just copy and just create color and add the hash, save it. So you can see, and on press, and also navigation dot navigate to the create account screen. So this is the create account screen. Just copy and paste it. When I click to the create new account, so I will navigate to the create a new account like this. And let's see the styling. So this is the social login and continue. So for that, I'm going to show you how to divide your screen with the flex. So first I'm going to wrap these items, just cut it and save, take a one view and paste it again, and take a style and apply flex 0.8. and if I apply the background color, you can see green. So it will take a 0.8% of the screen. So I'm going to take another view, and view for the social logins, and apply the styling also, and flex 0.2, and just apply the background color red. So now you can see we have a background color. Now you can see we just take a 0.2% of the view, and also we just take a 0.8% of the top. Let me 7, and apply the 3, and let me remove these colors also. So now we are going to design the social logins. So first we are going to take at one text and also in here. So let me copy the forget text and paste it, and just This is the account. So we need to change the styling also. This is copy the forget style and paste it, and we have a change the name of the styling. Continue style. Copy. Save it. Paste it, and we need to align item center. Text align center. We need a text align center also. Save it. And also this is the semi bold 14. Yeah, the styling is correct, and save it. So now we are going to create these three buttons also. So first I'm going to import the images, download the icons and export. I'm taking in the 4x G, and this is the Facebook icon. Take in the 4x, and then we have an Apple icon. And save it. So these are the icons. Let's go to the project 1 2 3 and just paste in your assets folder, and this is the assets, and we have images, and paste it here, and just change the name of the icons, Apple and Facebook. This is your wish, you can change your name or not. An image path we have, and just copy the previous one. And we have a Facebook icon, and just copy the Facebook name, icon name. And save it. We have a Google icon name, just copy the Google icon name, save it. And also the Apple icon. Just close this file. So now we are going to the login screen again. So now I'm going to create the social login button. So for that I'm going to create a one custom button. So for that I'm going to the component folder and just create the one file with the name of the social logins ptn.js, and just import your snippet from the React Native. So these are my snippets. So this is our custom social login button. Now I'm going to the logins, and let me import the button social logins, save it. So you can see we have a social login button. So now we are going to apply the styling and design the button also. So first we are going to apply the style, flex, direction. We need a row, and just take a one touchable, import the touchable opacity from the React Native. Just take a one image also from the React Native and apply the source image path dot. We have a Google. First we have a Google, just save it. So you can see. So apply the styling for the image style. The icon size we have a width, moderate scale 22, and height also moderate scale 22. Just save it. So now I'm going to apply the styling for the button, like a style, and we need to have a background color. The background color I'm copy from the button. Let's click the button. So this is the color, copy colors, and just social color, and this is my social color. So let's go to the button. Let's import your color dot social. We need a padding. First we are going to take a padding vertical 12 and also take a padding horizontal. And also I need a border radius also. And let me see the height and width. So I have a padding vertical is 8. I'm just taking 8 and also this is the 12. And just type align item center and justify content also center. Like I need a 16 also and this will be a 10. Yeah, so now it's look fine, you can see. So this is our button, so we just create the one button. So now I'm going to cut these styling, like cut the style and come here and btn views, paste it and just copy and paste it. Let's copy the style of the icon also. And image style, paste it and just apply the and save it. So now we can see we just create the one button. So I'm going to copy this button, copy 1 and 2. We just created 3 button but with the same icon. Now I'm going to change the icon also. The second one is the Facebook, save it, and the last one is the Apple. So now we need to apply the space also. For that I'm going to my button style and just margin right. We need to apply the margin right and moderate scale 12. Let's see. Yeah, it's looking perfect. So now I'm going to the login screen. So this is my login screen, and the login screen I need to apply align item center. So we need to give a space also, and just click on the continue and just margin bottom, apply the 20. So now you can see we just create the login screen with the 3 buttons. You can see 3 buttons. So now I'm going to apply the props also of the button. So just go to the social logins. So the first props we have a on press. Let me on press and just copy the on press. We have a copy on press Google, and we have a on press Facebook, and the last one is on press Apple. So just copy these 3, paste it, and this is the on press Facebook, and the last one is the on press Apple login Apple. So let's go to the login screen again and just apply the alert on these social logins on press Apple. So let me show you alert also, alert Apple btn, and just so this is the Apple btn. Just copy these 3. So now I'm taking the another one also on press Facebook and just pass the alert Facebook btn, and we have a last one is the Google on press Google, and alert dot alert, and just type the Google BTN. Now you can say, when I click to the Google button, you can see, we can see the alert of the Google, Facebook, and we have a sign up. So now we are going to just pass the justify content flex end, so it will become in the end also. So I just apply the justify content flex end, so it goes to the end of the screen. So like this we can create the login screen. So now I'm going to the create account screen, so just click on the create account. Let me open the create account. And so now I'm going to copy the styling of the create account screen. So because we already have a styling, let's copy the styling and just copy. And this is my create account screen, just paste it. And we need to import these things also, moderate scale and colors also, and vertical, and also font family, just import scale. So let me save it, and also import the width also. First take a view and just apply the style. And this is the main view. Copy the main view and also copy this and add to this also. Now I'm going to take another view also. Just go to the login screen, and we have a like this, copy, paste it, and just take a one text also, this view also, and paste it, and just change the text of the login screen, also create accounts, to the create account screen. And this is the create account screen, you can see. And also change the text of this also, just remove it and copy the whole text and come here and paste it. So we have a 3 lines. So for that I'm just going to the text, and we need a 14, and also regular. And now you can see, yeah, it's looking better. And also we have a 1.2, like if I type 1.1, yeah, text is a medium, just apply medium. And also, and this is the 12, no, 14 is enough. So now we are going to import the text input. So just come here to the login screen and just copy this and just paste it here. And let me import the component first. So we need a 3 text input. Just come here and paste it. Copy the text of the confirm password and save it. And after that we need to import the button also. So this is our button. Just go to the login screen, and we do not have any text, and this is my button. Just copy the button and just apply the button here and import the button. And let me see, this is my button, you can see. And we need the text of the sign up. Save it. So now I need also spacing also. Just come here, and we need a margin bottom, moderate scale 40. So now I'm going to the login screen again. We just copy that. Now just copy the text also, like already create account. This is my text, copy and paste it. So now I'm going to copy the last social logins also. Just come here and we need to copy the whole of the social logins view and come here and just paste it and just import the social login buttons, save it, create a new account. So you have already account, just click and change the text also, save it. Let me remove this also account. So now I'm going to change the navigation of type the login. When you click to the already have accounts, you can navigate to the login screen like this. We haven't import the navigation, so for that const and create the navigation, import the navigation also, use navigation, save it. So if I click the already have an account, so I will navigate to the login screen like this. If I click this, so like this we can create the auth screen, and the login screen will take a lot of time because we are going to create the custom components, and the create account screen we do not take that much time because we already have that component and we use that component, you can see. And we just, if I type this and when you click this, the border color also become a blue. So this is the benefit of the custom components. In the next video, I will going to call the APIs of the login and sign up. So I see you in next video. For now, bye bye.